Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Foutbeentje. You guys are here because we are going to upcycle. And that means that I have this coat that I made back in 2015. It is a Burda coat. If I can find the original, well, I need to find the original pattern number. I'll put it in here together with a picture, but I remember it was a white coat. And I made it out of jeans, and what I want to do is upcycle because the lining is due to some improvements because it has some holes in there, and the jeans is discolored. What I wanted to do is I wanted to use a lining. Now, I do have another lining right here, which is a darker green or less shiny green, and this is also from a coat that I made many years ago that I was planning to use. But then when I shopped my friend's stash, she still had this one. This is 150 or 150 centimeters. So I'm supposed to be able to get the back lining, front lining, and sleeves out of this one. If not, I can still use this for the sleeves. And then we have the option of buttons. We have these buttons, which are ceramic blue buttons. Each of them is unique. I bought them while I was visiting the lace factory here in the Netherlands in Worst. And what I also, when I went to the last stoffenbeurs, I found these beautiful numbers buttons as well, and I thought, let me know down below which one do you like best, but base your decision on what I'm going to show you next. This beautiful patch right here. If you follow me on my live, not so live series on Instagram, you would have seen this. This beauty is going on the back of my coat. It's going to be fashion statement right there. I will leave her afro intact, and I will only cut off like from this point right here, so it will fit perfectly on the back. But she's going on my back because yes. And I have dye, I have fabric dye for my coat, but I also have this product that you can use in order to make my coat waterproof. And so I think it's going to be a series because I'm not going to be able to do this in one sitting. So first I'm just going to take out the lining, dye the coat, make it waterproof, sew it on, make the buttonholes bigger, remove these buttons, add new buttons, put this lovely lady in the back, and we have a coat. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid, comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And you have a great day. Bye.